Hi, today we're looking at how to set up Metamask. As Metamask is a Web3 application, you can get access to its features through your browser in the form of a browser extension. You will need either Chrome or Brave installed to continue with this tutorial. I'm using Brave for this tutorial, but the steps are the same for Chrome. To begin with, in either Chrome or Brave, search for the term Metamask. On the page that loads, you're looking for the link with this URL, metamask.io. Click on the link to enter the Metamask website. Metamask homepage, you'll find two download links. Either one of these will take you to the download page. Go ahead and click on one. The new page that loads has the option to install Metamask. Let's go ahead and do this. Click on Install Metamask for Chrome. A new tab should open, taking us to the Chrome Web Store. In the top right-hand corner of the screen, we have an Add to Brave button, or Add to Chrome for all Chrome users. Once clicked, a pop-up should open to confirm that we want to add this extension to our browser. Click Add Extension. This is the Metamask welcome screen, and the beginning point of us setting up Metamask. We need to click on the very obvious Get Started button to progress to the next step. As we are new to Metamask, we want to take the route of creating a wallet. This wallet will be what holds all your tokens and allow you to interact with other Web3 applications now and in the future. A few things to note before continuing. Metamask does collect usage data. The information is anonymous, but if you don't want this to happen, you can choose to disable it from within the settings in Metamask. The application will never collect keys, addresses, transactions, balances, or any personal information, including IP addresses, or sell your data for profit. If you want to read up more on their privacy policy, it can be found here. I'm going to click Agree. Great. We now need to create a password. This is a secondary password that will allow you to log back into Metamask in the future. This password is also an additional layer of security for your wallet. Create a password that is strong. Good password practices are to include special characters like these. Include a combination of numbers and letters with capitalized letters for good measure. Once done, add it in. Confirm that the passwords are the same by retyping it in the field below. Take a moment to go through the terms of use, and if you agree, let's create our account. Your wallet will keep tokens of value within it. Take a moment to go through this Metamask security video. It's 1 minute long and has good tips for keeping your account secure. Once we click on Next, we're probably at the most critical point of the setup process, your secret recovery phrase. Your secret recovery phrase makes it easy to back up and restore your account, so never disclose your recovery phrase to anyone, as anyone who has this phrase can take all the tokens and currencies you have in your wallet forever. Warning out the way, I'm going to click and reveal my phrase. I have altered it so that we can go through this tutorial showing you everything as clearly as possible. I like to take a copy of the security phrase at this point, as we will need it for the next step. Make sure that it is recorded in the order that is shown. Once done, click Next. The final step is to click on each word in the order that they were displayed on the previous page. Once done, click Confirm. We are done and your wallet has been created and is now active. Take note of these security tips. Save a backup in multiple secure places. Never share your security phrase with anyone. Be careful of phishing. No one should ask you for your security phrase. If anyone asks you for your phrase, they want to take control of your account. All of this is important to do because Metamask cannot recover your recovery phrase. So what happens if you lose your recovery phrase? The good thing is that you can get access to this in the future from the settings menu in Metamask. I have created a navigating Metamask video to take you through how to use Metamask and get you up and running. Links are in the description. And we're done. Here we are in Metamask. Your account is set up and ready to use. To log out of Metamask, click on the lock button from the Metamask extension that we have now successfully set up. Bonus tip. If you intend on using Metamask frequently, pin the extension to the top of your browser screen for easy access. To do this, click the jigsaw icon. In the drop-down that appears, look for the pin icon that is located next to the Metamask logo. Click on it, and you should now see the Metamask logo pinned to your browser window. If you have enjoyed this tutorial and would like to see more content like this in the future, click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and stay posted for more videos. All links and resources are in the description below.